Tired of seeing that frustrating song unavailable message on your Instagram stories? Don't worry, I'm here to help you fix it. First, let's switch to a personal account. This could be the issue if you are using a business or creator account that does not allow to access most of the music library. To do this, go to your Instagram settings, select account, scroll down and tap on switch account type, and then switch to personal account. Confirm the change by tapping switch to personal account again. Keep in mind, you might lose access to some business-specific features. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This can clear any corrupted cache files or outdated data causing the issue. Head to your App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap install or update depending on the option you see. Next, ensure your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Incorrect settings can sometimes interfere with Instagram servers. Go to your phone's settings, then tap date and time. Make sure set automatically or similar option is enabled. If it's already on, try toggling it off and then back on. Now, try creating a new Instagram story and adding music. Hopefully, one of these solutions has fixed the problem. Enjoy your tunes.